We are prepping for cooking this weekend on our camping trip. And this is prep work for pistachio muffins.
Pistachio walnut muffins. So I have 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 8 tablespoons of salted butter, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, pistachio instant pudding, baking powder, about 2 teaspoons, 1, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of whole milk, 2 cups all-purpose flour, morning guys, Edie. So I will be making pistachio muffins. Originally I thought I was going to make pistachio walnut muffins, but just pistachio muffins. I made the batter at home, which is in this video. I just thought it'd be a tiny bit easier. So this is the batter. I am adding pistachios. I didn't want them to be mushy or whatnot. So let's add these in and let's mix them around a little bit. Could always add more. Maybe I'll drizzle some on top of the muffins. So I kept this refrigerated and took it out for about an hour. So I'll just put some ham on these silicone muffins. And let me show you. To prevent some burning from the bottom, I put this little rack on the bottom of this, and then I'm going to put the silicone muffin tray. It was a little tip off the one of the Omnia Facebook groups. So now I'm going to just scoop some of these muffins in here. Last one. We read somewhere that these muffin tins, silicone tray things, should not be overfilled. It's my first time baking muffins in one of these, so we'll see how they come out.
And just like last weekend, when we were camping in Melbourne Beach, it's raining.
Well, at least the pistachio muffins are coming along really nice.
So we moved our pistachio muffins under our beat up canopy.
I think these are ready. Let's open one of these bad boys up, see what it looks like inside. Oh, hello, pistachio. Awesome. A little too hot to eat. Like, keep cooling down. Alright, let's blink. These came out really, really good.
And that is breakfast. That is pistachio muffins in the Omnia oven.
So delicious.
Recipe will be down below,
So easy.
and you can make these too. Bon appetit!